हमने हमला किया था ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में किसी पर?
Yes, sir.
किस पे किया था?
The military bases in Pakistan.
नॉट मिलिट्री बेस। शुरुआत किससे हुई थी? पहले किसको ठोका था हमने? आतंकी गढ़ों को?
Yes, sir. Military camps.
They were not military.
The terror camps. Sorry,
We
sir.
hit them. सही किया गलत किया?
It was right, sir.
Why?
So it was in response to the Pahalgam attack.
So?
And secondly, it was precise. It was specific.
Did we
and
do the
targeted.
right thing or the wrong thing?
Did the right thing, sir.
अभी मुझे पता लगा बांग्लादेश में उसने आदेश दे दिया वहां का जितने हिंदू हैं बांग्लादेश में सबको मार दो। मुझे क्या करना चाहिए?
So try to bring them back
ट्राई हाउ बेटा?
by pressurizing through international bodies.
कोई इंटरेस्टेड है उसमें? कौन सी इंटरनेशनल बॉडी? डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को परवाह पड़ी है कि कितने मरते हैं हिंदू वहां? डज ही केयर?
No, sir.
डज साउथ अफ्रीका केयर? डज फ्रांस केयर?
No, sir.
तो फिर क्या इंटरनेशनल प्रेशर?
But India stands for.
इंडिया में स्टैंड फॉर एनीथिंग।
Yes.
हाउ विल यू डू इट बच्चे?
So as a last resort, I would have to enter Bangladesh and safeguard
so
my
you
own.
have given me the first resort.
Yes.
Second resort is international pressure. वो भी नहीं काम करेगा. What is the third resort?
Sir, to warn them that if they do not stop, then
Third
we will
resort
have
is
to
a warning. Fourth resort क्या है?
have to enter Bangladesh, sir.
Sorry?
Have to enter Bangladesh and
And protect my people.
protect our.
All right. Let me put it to you bluntly. आपने बांग्लादेश का नाम सुना है?
Yes, sir.
उसका क्रिएशन हुआ था पहले किसका हिस्सा था वो?
India, Pakistan, first of all.
हमने मदद की थी उनकी?
Yes, sir.
करनी चाहिए थी?
Yes, sir.
क्यों?
Because there were atrocities on the minorities and.
That's exactly what is happening now. तोड़ दूं फिर उसको? दो टुकड़े कर दूं उसके?
But India also respects global
फिर
norms
वही बात
and
है, उस वक्त
sovereignty.
नॉर्म्स नहीं रिस्पेक्ट किए थे मैंने।
We did, sir.
तो फिर
But
तब में और अब में क्या फर्क है?
but then we also had indirect support. We supported the Mukti Bahini forces indirectly.
फिर वही बात है, तो अब इनडायरेक्टली, अरे त्रिपुरा में भरे पड़े थे, हम ट्रेनिंग दे रहे थे उनको, क्या इनडायरेक्ट सपोर्ट था?
But did not intervene the sovereignty and help them
We
when
went
they
inside.
wanted us to.
सरेंडर किया था ढाका में, पढ़ो इसके बारे में, वो सॉवरेंटी का वायलेशन नहीं था?
Yes, sir, it was, but it was.
It was.
Yes, it was with the consent of Bangladeshis, sir. It was not
They were not
one-sided.
independent then, बच्चे. They were part of Pakistan
Yes.
when I went in. Should I have gone in or not?
Definitely, sir.
तो आज जो देख रही हैं, सही डिसीजन था वो? एक और मुसीबत खड़ी कर दी हमने।
Sir, I think
Think
that.
about, have you thought about the question that I'm asking you?
Yes, sir. I think history is repeating itself, and
If history is repeating itself, then I must go in.
so it is not my decision nor
I'm
yours
asking
to
you.
take.
I'm giving you the full power to take the decision.
So
She'll be a very good officer. She will delegate everything to somebody else.
So it will not be my decision. It will be in my national interest, and it will have to be a.
Who will determine the national interest, बेटा? ये concepts बड़े अच्छे हैं. ऊपर से मैसेज आएगा आपको भगवान से.
No, sir. The cabinet has to decide.
So you are the prime minister. I've just appointed you. क्या decision है?
So as a last resort, I will
वही last
intervene.
resort चलिए.
I will intervene,
This is
sir.
your last resort now, doctor.